Welcome back. Let's talk about Azure Role-Based Access Control, commonly known as RBAC. When you have multiple IT and engineering teams, how can you control what access they have to the resources in your cloud environment? The principle of least privilege says you should only grant access up to the level needed to complete a task. If you only need read access to a storage blob, then you should only be granted read access to that storage blob. Write access to that blob shouldn't be granted, nor should read access to other storage blobs. It's a good security practice to follow. However, managing that level of permissions for an entire team would become tedious. Instead of defining the detailed access requirements for each individual, and then updating access requirements when new resources are created or new people join the team, Azure enables you to control access through Azure Role-Based Access Control. So, if you hire a new engineer and add them to the Azure RBAC group for engineers, they automatically get the same access as the other engineers in the same Azure RBAC group. Similarly, if you add additional resources and point Azure RBAC at them, everyone in that Azure RBAC group will now have those permissions on the new resources as well as the existing resources. Role-based access control is applied to a scope which could be a single resource or resource group or subscription or management group. Roles can be reader, resource-specific, custom, contributor, or owner. Owners are typically the admins who have the most access.